Pizza menus look simple until the names start fighting you. The trick is simple. Pizzas fall into clear groups. By the end, your next pizza order gets easier. Most pizza stories begin in Naples, Italy. Neapolitan pizza is soft, simple, and slightly charred. Margherita uses tomato, mozzarella, basil, and nothing extra. Marinara has no cheese, but still has huge flavor. Roman pizza is thinner, crispier, and less floppy. Pizza al taglio means pizza cut by the slice. Sicilian pizza is thick, square, fluffy, and filling. A calzone is pizza folded into a pocket. Stromboli is rolled pizza sliced like a loaf. New York pizza is big, thin, and easy to fold. The fold helps you eat fast without a mess. New Haven apizza is thin, smoky, and deeply charred. Chicago deep dish is tall, heavy, and built like pie. Plot twist, Chicago also loves thin, square-cut pizza. Detroit pizza is thick, rectangular, and crispy on the edges. St. Louis pizza is super thin and extra crunchy. Grandma pizza tastes simple, homemade, and comforting. California pizza is creative, fresh, and less traditional. Greek-style pizza has a chewy crust baked in oil. Some regional pizzas get strange, and fans love them. Cheese pizza is the test every pizzeria must pass. Pepperoni is salty, spicy, crispy, and wildly popular. Veggie pizza gives color, crunch, and fresh flavor. Mushroom pizza tastes earthy, rich, and deeply savory. Sausage pizza is meaty, bold, and very filling. Meat Lovers Pizza says, vegetables can wait. Hawaiian pizza starts arguments. Pineapple belongs, or it does not. BBQ chicken pizza is sweet, smoky, and very American. Buffalo chicken pizza brings heat, tang, and game night energy. White pizza skips tomato sauce and focuses on cheese. Four cheese pizza is rich, salty, and creamy. Supreme pizza puts meat and vegetables on one pie. Pesto pizza tastes herby, fresh, and slightly fancy. Prosciutto and arugula make pizza feel grown up. Capricciosa mixes ham, mushrooms, artichokes, and olives. Diavola means spicy salami and serious heat. Quattro Stagioni divides one pizza into 4 sections. Wood-fired ovens cook pizza fast and add smoky char. Coal-fired pizza often gets darker, crispier, and smokier. Thin crust keeps the bite light and crispy. Thick crust makes the bread part of the meal. Stuffed crust hides extra cheese in the edge. Pan pizza bakes in oil so the crust gets crispy. Personal pizza is built for one hungry person. Sheet pan pizza is perfect when many people need food. Gluten-free pizza helps more people enjoy pizza safely. Cauliflower crust is a lighter alternative to regular dough. Sourdough pizza adds tang, chew, and deeper flavor. Dessert pizza proves pizza can even become sweet. Lahmacun is a thin Turkish flatbread with spiced meat. Manakish is a flatbread often topped with za'atar or cheese. Japan adds toppings like corn, mayo, and seafood. Bulgogi pizza adds sweet beef and bold Korean flavor. Indian pizza brings paneer, tandoori chicken, and spice. Brazilian pizza treats toppings like a playground. Choose pizza by mood: crispy, cheesy, spicy, or adventurous. Your next pizza order is easier now. Comment your favorite.